Welcome to this video. In this video, you learn about the important reaction of aromatic aldehyde, that is the Perkin reaction. The outline of this video is the firstly we study the statement of the Perkin reaction, then we discuss the general reaction of Perkin reaction, then we study the mechanism and synthetic applications of Perkin reaction. Let us see the statement. The base catalyzes condensation of an aromatic aldehyde with anhydride of aliphatic acid containing at least two alpha hydrogen atoms to form alpha beta unsaturated acid is called as the Perkin reaction. In this reaction, the reactant is the aromatic aldehyde, while the second reactant is the anhydride of the aliphatic acid. The necessary condition for Perkin reaction is the this anhydride it containing at least two alpha hydrogen atoms. Then this is the base catalyzer condensation. The commonly used base are the sodium or potassium salt of acid corresponding to anhydride, and product of this reaction is the alpha beta unsaturated acid. This base and anhydride which are corresponding to each other. We use the base sodium or potassium salt of acid aliphatic acid which forms the anhydride. This Perkin reaction it is specific for aromatic aldehydes which does not undergo self-condensation in presence of the base catalyst. Those aldehyde who does not undergo the aldol condensation, they undergo the Perkin reaction. This is the general reaction. Benzaldehyde, when heated with acetic anhydride in presence of the sodium acetate at 453 Kelvin, it forms the cinnamic acid. Okay, this is the general reaction of Perkin reaction. Benzaldehyde, that is the benzene ring attached to the aldehyde CHO group. Name of this compound is the benzaldehyde. We use the anhydride acetic anhydride. This acetic anhydride it is formed from the acetic acid, and we use the base that is the sodium acetate. All these three compounds heated together at 453 Kelvin, it forms the cinnamic acid on Perkin reaction. Besides simple aromatic aldehyde, there are vinylox, heterocyclic aldehyde, and even phthalic anhydride gives the Perkin reaction. This is the heterocyclic aldehyde, furfuryl aldehyde, it on treatment with the acetic anhydride in presence of the sodium acetate at 453 Kelvin, it produces 3 alpha furyl acrylic acid. Let us see the mechanism of a Perkin reaction. Perkin reaction it is completed in the three steps. In the step 1, the acetate ion which is formed by the ionization of the sodium acetate, it abstracts a proton from alpha carbon of the anhydride, it produces the carbanion. This acetate ion, that is the CS3 C double bond O minus, this acetate ion abstracts the alpha hydrogen from acetic anhydride, and there is the formation of the acetic acid. This bonding pair goes to this methylene group. There is the formation of the carbanion. This carbon it carries the negative charge. In the second step, nucleophilic addition of carbanion to the carbonyl carbon of aldehyde forming the adduct. The carbanion which is formed in the step 1, Nucleophilic attack of this carbanion take place on the carbonyl carbon of the benzaldehyde, and there is the formation of new carbon-carbon bond between this carbonyl carbon and this bond, and the negative charge, this double bond break and negative charge goes to this oxygen. There is the formation of this adduct. In the third step, there is the protonation. This O minus, it abstract the proton from the solvent. There is the formation of this product. Followed by dehydration. There is the loss of the water molecule, hydrogen from this carbon, hydroxy groups from this carbon. There is the formation of the double bond between these two carbon. And lastly, there is the hydrolysis. Hydrolysis takes place at this position. The bond breaks here. Hydrogen adds towards this oxygen and hydroxy groups adds towards the carbonyl carbon. There is the formation of the cinnamic acid by loss of the acetic acid. Let us see the synthetic applications of Perkin reaction. First synthetic application is the preparation of alpha substituted unsaturated acid, that is alpha methyl cinnamic acid. It is prepared by using the benzaldehyde on treatment of this anhydride. There is the formation of the alpha methyl cinnamic acid. Second synthetic application of Perkin reaction is the Perkin reaction is used in the synthesis of coumarin. Salicyl aldehyde, that is the orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, on treatment with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate. On heating, it forms the orthohydroxycinnamic acid by Perkin reaction, followed by dehydration, that is there is the loss of the water molecule by hydroxy group from this carbon and hydrogen from this hydroxy group. There is the formation of this coumarin. It is the one of the heterocyclic compound. Last synthetic application is the it is used in the synthesis of the carbostyrene. Carbostyrene, it is the nitrogen analog of the coumarin. Orthonitrobenzaldehyde on treatment with the acetic anhydride in presence of the sodium acetate. There is the formation of the orthonitrocinnamic acid. This orthonitrocinnamic acid, which on reduction, there is the formation of the orthoaminocinnamic acid. There is the reduction of this nitro group to the amino group. Followed by treatment with the HCl and heat, there is the loss of the water molecule, cyclization take place, and there is the formation of the carbostyrene. Thank you.